Hi everyone, Frederick here. Quick video on a question I got. Could be beneficial for you as well if you're a beginner share chart user. This person wants to use numbers on the screen and show them how many points above or below VWAP in this case. So I'll make this quick case study and show you how it's done. What you do here is you want to calculate the VWAP. So first we're going to load that VWAP. We just use the standard one. You can use the one I have as well on my website. It doesn't really matter. This VWAP has a subgraph, right here, VWAP value. We're going to use that value to calculate the distance between closing price and the VWAP. So we're going to use a study that's quite useful for custom calculations, and that's a formula study. This formula study, you can click the description button. It will show references to all kinds of formulas on the ShareChart website. Right? In this case, we want to have closing price minus the VWAP value. We name this above below VWAP value. Right? This will basically calculate a value, in this case minus 2.2 from the VWAP till the closing price. To show this on your screen, you can use the text display for study. You reference that value, that result. You set the different horizontal and vertical position to place it. You can change colors, anything else. You can check out the description button for all those options. Right? With that, you basically have your value displayed here at all times. You don't really need to see this study, so you can hide it. And with that, you're good to go to display any value on your chart. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.